Today, I'm gonna show you how to learn Python for data analytics. Now, Python is one of the most important skills to get a job, but people think that it's hard and they waste time without actually learning it. After this video, you'll know how to learn Python in the fastest and easiest way for data analytics. Now, learning a programming language is in some ways similar to learning a spoken language, and if you're trying to learn English, it is gonna be painful at first. You're not going to be able to put together sentences and express yourself, and in the beginning, it's just about understanding the fundamentals, getting the right building blocks in place. For Python, this includes learning how programming actually works, and about variables, loops, functions, and other fundamentals which you can often transfer from other programming language if you happen to know them. The problem data analysts encounter is after this initial stage, because most courses will take you on a journey to learn all the things that Python has to offer, and it's beautiful, but you don't need this. For data analytics, instead, you should try to quickly move into focusing on the things that actually matter. There are a couple of libraries in Python that are very important, and libraries are kind of like an extension of Python, giving you more functionalities than the traditional language, and some of these are very useful for data analysts. First one is NumPy. Now, NumPy is useful for numerical operations and arrays. And arrays are basically specific ways of storing data. Now with NumPy, you can create an array or create an array object and then work with them. And so the next library is Pandas. And Pandas is useful for data manipulation, where you'll be creating and using something called data frames. You can use Pandas to load a data set, clean some missing data, perform data grouping, and calculate metrics. And when it comes to data visualization, you can also do that with some specific libraries in Python. The first one is matplotlib, and as the name might suggest, this library is all about creating visualizations like line plots, bar charts, histograms, scatter plots, and more. And you can do a lot of cool things, and it's very popular for data analytics. Finally, there's also Seaborn, and this one is kind of a Python library that's already based on matplotlib with some other functionalities to improve your visualizations with some improved styling and other plot options. So how do you get started learning these, and what should you actually do? Because at this point it's kind of messy. All of these ones have been made to make life easier for people that are working with data. So try to just kind of integrate them into your learning, see how you can make them a part of your workflow, learn the basics, and then try to apply it. These skills are often highly desired by employers because these libraries are used across companies to get things done. And there are many ways to learn Python for data analytics, but the important thing is that it's not the same as learning Python for a general use case. Python becomes the most fun and useful when you can actually apply it and learn the exact things that you need. Again, you don't need to learn Python for web development or Python for machine learning. You're learning it for data analytics, and that's fun. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. But also check out the video somewhere here on the screen if you want to watch another one.